Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of crumpled receipts, desperately trying to remember if that questionable late-night snack was business-related? Or maybe you've spent hours wrestling with spreadsheets, chasing down expense reports from your team. If that sounds familiar, you've probably heard of Expensify. But have you ever stopped to wonder, where exactly is the magic happening? Where is this company that's helping so many businesses ditch the paper trail and streamline their expense management located? It's a fair question. In our increasingly digital world, it's easy to forget that behind every sleek app and efficient software, there's a physical place, a hub of innovation and collaboration. So, let's peel back the digital curtain and find out where Expensify calls home. The answer, like many modern tech companies, isn't quite as simple as pointing to a single pin on a map. Expensify has embraced a distributed workforce model, meaning their team members are spread out across the globe. This allows them to tap into a diverse talent pool and foster a flexible work environment. You might find Expensify employees working remotely from bustling cities, quiet suburban homes, or even exotic locales. This global presence contributes to the diverse perspectives and innovative spirit that drives the company forward. However, while their workforce is distributed, Expensify does have a physical headquarters. The heart of Expensify, its official base of operations, is located in the vibrant and tech-savvy city of Portland, Oregon, in the United States. Nestled in the Pacific Northwest, Portland is known for its thriving tech scene, its commitment to sustainability, and its unique, independent spirit, qualities that seem to resonate with Expensify's own ethos. So, if you were to send a letter the old-fashioned way or perhaps even dream of a visit, though they might be more used to virtual meetings, you'd address it to their headquarters in Portland. This is where a significant portion of their core team, including leadership and various departments, operate. Portland serves as the central point for the company's strategic decisions and overall direction. But the Expensify story doesn't end in Portland. Recognizing the importance of global reach and localized support, Expensify has also established offices in other key locations around the world. These international hubs allow them to better serve their diverse customer base and cater to the specific needs of different markets. While the exact number and locations of these international offices might evolve over time, they underscore Expensify's commitment to being a truly global company. Think of it like this. Portland is the central command center, the main engine driving the Expensify machine. But the fuel and the reach extend far beyond the city limits, thanks to their distributed team and international offices. This hybrid approach allows Expensify to be both grounded in a physical location and agile enough to thrive in the borderless world of technology. So, the next time you effortlessly snap a photo of a receipt or approve an expense report with a few clicks, remember that while the process feels seamless and digital, there's a real company with a home base in Portland, Oregon, and a global network of talented individuals working hard to make your expense management woes a thing of the past. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.